Hi guys, welcome to Pakuppaivu channel. Today we are going to talk an interesting topic related to Excel. My friend Laumital has came up with the problem that he has to analyze the data in from multiple files. So he has to compile the data and do some analysis with that. But if he's having some 4 or 5 files, combining it to a single file will be a challenge for anyone. Even if you are using VLOOKUP, the size of the file will get bigger, and as well as the data preparation time also will be more. To overcome that, Excel has an excellent feature called PowerPivot. Many of you are aware about the pivot table, but PowerPivot is one such thing which is hidden inside Excel because you can't able to visible PowerPivot anywhere in an Excel screen. First, I'll tell you how to activate PowerPivot. Then I will tell you how to make use of PowerPivot to compile multiple files. Then how to create a pivot table which connects with all the files within that data model. Before going ahead, I request you to subscribe our channel and share our channel with your friends so that they will also aware about these simple professional techniques. First, go to File. Under that, select Options. PowerPivot is an Excel add-in, so select an add-in. Then within that, the second option, Common Add-ins. Then select Go. So there are 3 common add-ins in Excel. We want PowerPivot. Select that option. Click OK. Then you can see there is a tab. PowerPivot is activated. Now I'll show you how to combine multiple files and how to make relationship between those files so that you can create a data model, basically creating relationship between 2 or 3 data. Here, first, this is a PO data of around 2 or 3 weeks data only I have taken to show you people about PowerPivot. So it has the vendor code, material code, quantity, date, unit rate, currency, order value, and everything. So now we will move on to PowerPivot. Go to PowerPivot, click Manage. The PowerPivot screen opens up. So this is the screen of PowerPivot. So here you can extract the data to PowerPivot from various sources like database and like other sources. Here there are SQL Server, Oracle, lots of options are available. So we want to extract the data from an Excel file. So I'm selecting that option and I'm clicking Next and go to Browse. Select the file from where you want the data to be added. Click Open. Please make sure you are making a tick mark in this box. If your first row is a header of columns. Then click Next. So here in the table, you can see there are 3 options. This is nothing but this Excel file has 3 different spreadsheets. Conversion, material, and vendor are the 3 spreadsheets which is available. So I am going to add all 3. Select that and click Finish. So now the data fetching is done. Success has come. Once you close this, you can see in the background, the data is automatically getting added. The conversion, I have got some data, then the material, then I've added the vendor detail. I want one more data to be added. So again, I'm selecting that Excel option. So the currency details I want, tick mark, click next. Here I want this table. So before going ahead, if you want to see the preview, you can see that by selecting it. So I want this data only. So I'm selecting only this table. Click finish. Success. So basically this data is the USD to INR details for different dates starting from July till 10th August. This is the USD to INR average of every day, because if you see, the purchase order is placed to the import vendors in USD. So we have to convert this to INR. For that purpose only, I have fetched the data. So whatever the currency on that particular day will be considered in this file. So now we will move on how to build the relationship between sheets. Before going ahead, I have to do one more thing, because even though this file is available in this Excel file, we have to add this pivot data also to the model to establish the relationship between the master, the currency, all those details. So you just need to click add to data model. Then this will ask whether it has to be converted to a table first. Then only you can add that to a PowerPivot data model. See, now the PowerPivot also has the PO data also added to the data model. Just change the name of the file, PO data I'm giving. So now whatever the details we want, we have added to the data model now. Now we will establish the relationship. Click diagram view. See, here, whatever the files are available, it has been displayed. So move the cursor so that you can able to find if there is more than one file you have added, you may miss out. So move the cursor and bring to a single page. You can increase the length of this. First thing is, the base details of PO are available in the PO data. First thing is, I want to analyze, for example, country-wise detail. So I have to connect where the country-wise detail is available. I have to connect it with this sheet. So here the vendor code is common. So what I'm going to do is I'm clicking this and I'm just moving the cursor and I'm connecting the vendor code. Now see, there is a connection has been made, one too many. So this entire sheet has been connected with this sheet. So there is only one connection, but it is connected to all the things, even the country and everything with the vendor code will get reflected. The other thing is the currency date because the PO date and the currency date has to be connected to calculate the USD to INR conversion. So here the other connection has been made. So material code, material description, all those details are available in PO data itself. So even if we don't require this detail, we can avoid. Right now, I am not considering, I'm not going to calculate the custom duties and also, but still, if you want to establish a relationship, you can able to establish, which is going to be based on material category. So I am connecting the material category. Once you are done with it, make sure that whether you have made all the connections between the sheets, then move on to data view. So here, for example, I have to calculate, as I already said, I have to convert this order value to INR. So the currency details is available in the other file, which is in the currency sheet. Now I have to calculate the INR value. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use if formula. If my currency, so this PO data currency is equal to INR, then it will be reflecting only the order value. There is no need of any conversion or anything. So right now here only USD is there, but in case if euro and other currency are there, so directly mentioning the conversion and all may end up in error. In order to avoid that, if again the currency, PO data currency is equal to USD, then what we have to do, we have to multiply the order value with the price which is in the currency. So here we have to use first related. Use the function related, then you will see all the related functions comes up. I need the price, so the currency price, whatever, select that and close the bracket. So I am done with this formula for true. If not, then mention check and close the formula. Once you complete the formula, you can see the values are automatically calculated down. Here the USD is converted to INR. Now you can change the name of this column, order value in INR. This is one more variable we have calculated in this Excel file. Sorry, in the PowerPivot. So now we will move ahead with the pivot table creation. So there is an option called pivot table. Click that option. Once you click, the pivot table asking to create in a new worksheet. This tab will come, click OK. Now you can see the active sheet is this table. We have created order value in INR, but you can see in actual file, the INR value is not shown. Now in all files, you can see the data is available. Now I will want to calculate, for example, country-wise detail. The country details are available here. So I am adding to row. Then in PO detail, order value in INR also has been calculated. So I'm calculating this. And if I want, I can sort it using sort option, more options, and by this, by ascending, change it to descending. So the highest spend the company is making to China. So basically the major spend is going to China, followed by Thailand, then comes the India, then USA, then Vietnam. So this is the data of around 3 weeks time, probably maybe starting from July 21 to 27. In that you have got this data. So now I want to see category wise, which category is using. Now the filter can be added in a better way using slicer option here. See, I want to add the metal category. So in slicer, so you can add any option, the vendor and all. So I'm selecting in active all sheets. In all sheets you can see. So I'm selecting material category. So here there are various categories. So now if I'm selecting battery, so battery is actually imported completely. USA and China are the major suppliers. If I'm clicking blower, blower is 100% from India. Then clicking gear, 100% from India. Then compressor, China and India. So you can select multiple option also. Click control, and I'm clicking motor. So this is two category, compressor and motor. Basically from China, India and Thailand. So once you click this option, the slicer makes the changes. Even you can use pivot chart to see a visual way. See, so the pivot chart helps you to see visually. So later on, you can add this detail to a dashboard and make a better dashboard. So now you can able to connect multiple sheet and you can able to analyze the data without using VLOOKUP and all. Because in VLOOKUP, if the data is huge, it will take so much amount of time. And another advantage is once you save this file, whenever you open PO data, go to manage option in PowerPivot, this data model will be available. So you can make use of this file. This is no need to make the data model again and again. So you have to prepare the data model only once and save the sheet. So hope you guys have understood how to compile multiple files to do analysis using pivot in Excel with the option of PowerPivot, and give a thumbs up to this video. If you have any questions, please put it in comment section, and do suggest videos if you want to post on some topic which you want to know about, and do subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.